Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're going to replace some light bulbs in the kitchen that are they came with the Reese's cans, they came with the house, and we're going from incandescent to LEDs. These are bright white, and it's going to be brighter than what it is now. As you can see, this is the light that we're getting now. It's warm, and these are 60 watts incandescent flood type. And we were replacing it with 65 watt equivalent bright white, and it's going to be LEDs, and it's only going to use 9 watts and save a lot of money on your electrical bill.
Okay, now
we have a fluorescent light, 48-inch, 2-tube T12 that we're not turning on at this moment, but eventually we're going to replace it with Reese's cans, and we're going to actually incorporate the new bulbs, LED bulbs, into this new Reese's can in the future. These bulbs actually take too much electrical, too many wattage, and create way too much heat. I just turned them off a little while ago and they're still burning my hand. We're going to replace it with this LED bulb, same kind, 9 watts, bright white. And we're going to turn this one on right now just so you can see the difference. Obviously, it's brighter, it's more clear, very crisp, and that's what we had before, and that's what we have now. Saving electricity, saving energy, and also utilizing brighter. Make sure you turn off the bulbs so they can cool off. This is not a problem with LEDs, but the ones that I'm taking out are not LED. Alright, now that we got all the bulbs in, including the one that was burnt, we're going to turn them on, and I already know there's going to be a very big difference. Turn the camera this way a little bit. Wow. A lot brighter. And we're not utilizing that much energy, so they're very efficient. Okay, this might be a better place to look at it, how the illumination cones out and is able to light up a cubicle like this. And you'll be able to tell the difference. Whoa, you see everything there. And that right there is how you make the kitchen brighter. If you guys like to cook, wash dishes, maybe do some projects here on this countertop, you'll be able to get the most out of it by utilizing LED lights. These are also supposed to last 22 years as advertised, and it's supposed to be 25,000 hours of luminance. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.